Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss November 2021 current affairs which is extremely important for your CMA 2022 exam. Also if you want PDF then you can join our telegram group, I will put the link in description. So the first question is Operation Red Rose is an anti-illicit liquor campaign. The target year for ending and reversing deforestation as per COP26 Climate Summit. So they have set a target year for 2030. G20 nations are committed to bring global warming level to, so they are committed to bring it to 1.5 degree above pre-industrial levels. IRCTC has partnered with which caller identification platform? So they have partnered with Truecaller. India's target of net zero emissions set to year, so they have set a target of 2070. Bangbandhu Sambandh Kendra is inaugurated at which city? So it is in Kolkata, West Bengal. Exide Life Insurance is fully acquired by, so it is acquired by HDFC Life Insurance. Mandakini River originates in which state? So it originates in Uttarakhand. Booker Prize 2021 winner. So this is Damon Galgut from South Africa. Damon Galgut won the Booker Prize for which novel? So the novel was The Promise. UNGA, United Nations General Assembly, has designated year 2021 as, so they have designated this year as International Year of Fruits and Vegetables. India Green Guarantee is provided by, so it is provided by UK. Lovlina Borgohain is associated with which sports? So she is associated with boxing. Abni Lekhara is associated with which sport? So this is Paralympic shooting. Manish Narwal is associated with which sport? So this is again Paralympic shooting. The Sage with Two Horns book is written by, so this book is written by Sudha Murthy. Homo bodensis is the name given to, so this name is given to humans living in Africa in Middle Pleistocene period. The biggest donator in India as per Hurun Philanthropy List 2021. So this is Ajim Premji. Nika founder Falguni Nair. Foreign leader to be awarded Padma Vibhushan 2021 for contribution in public affairs. So this is none other than Shinzo Abe from Japan. Public Affairs Index 2021 is topped by which state? So this is topped by Kerala. Panchmitra concoction is related with, so this is related with climate change. Indian International Science Festival 2021 is held in, so this is held in Panji, Goa. Newly appointed Twitter CEO, so he is Parag Agarwal from India. Which Indian city is included in UNESCO network of creative cities? So they have included Srinagar from Jammu Kashmir. India's rank in Global Drug Policy Index 2021. So the India's rank is 18th. Kusagra Rawat and Sri Hari Nataraj are associated with which sports? So they are associated with aquatics. Jan Sevak online portal is launched by which state? So this is by Karnataka. Jan Spandana online portal is launched by which state? This is again Karnataka. So Jan Sevak and Jan Spandana. Which country joined International Solar Alliance as 101th member? So that is USA. The first manned ocean mission. This is Samudrayan. This is of India. Marusudar river is tributary of which river? So this is Chenab. The head of panel to oversee Vista redevelopment projects. This is extremely important. So the answer is Ratan P. Batal. How many sports persons were awarded Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna awards? So there were 12 in total. Theme for World Diabetes Day 2021-2023. So that is access to diabetes care. Which country has issued its first passport with X gender option? So that is USA. India to explore green hydrogen and natural gas with which country? So they have partnered with Italy. As per IUCN, Ganges River dolphins are, so they are in endangered. Retail direct scheme, this is launched by, so this is launched by RBI. World's most polluted capital, so that is none other than New Delhi. Omicron variant is first detected in which country? So the answer is South Africa. New RBI governor, this is Shakti Kanta Das for 3 years. The state with the highest level of multi-dimensional poverty index. So which state performed the worst? So the answer is Bihar. EPFO rates fixed in year 2020 to 2021. So the answer is 8.5%. G20 Summit 2021 is hosted in. So this was hosted in Rome, Italy. DART mission for crashing a spacecraft with asteroids is launched by. So this is launched by NASA. Puneet Rajkumar, who died recently, was actor in which language? So the answer is Kannada. COP27 climate summit will be held in 2022 in which country? So this will be held in Egypt. 2021 ATP finals were won by. So this is Alexander Zverev. Cooking to Save Your Life book author. So this was written by Abhijit Banerjee. The city with the best public transport system in India. So the answer is Surat. Cook Strait is in which country? So the answer is New Zealand. Children footwear brand Plato's new brand ambassador. So the answer is Rahul Dravid. 2021 T20 World Cup was won by. This was won by Australia. Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy 2021-2022 in cricket. Which state won this? So the answer is Tamil Nadu. Enzyme-based mouth spray is launched by. So this is launched by Cadila. The Joint Armed Force Exercise Dakshin Shakti 2021 has been held in. So this was held in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. State of Global Climate Report 2021 is by which organization? So this is by World Meteorological Organization. 13th SM Asia Europe Meeting Summit in 2021 was held in which country? So answer is Cambodia. First Audit Divas. So this is 16th of November. The Best Drama Award at the International Emmy Awards 2021. So the answer is Tehran. Sardar Patel Leadership Center is in which city? So this is in Mussoorie. One Sun, One World, One Grid OSOWOG is a joint initiative of India and which country? So this is of UK. The state with the lowest poverty as per multidimensional poverty index. So we saw that Bihar had highest poverty, right? Which state had the lowest poverty? So the answer is Kerala. Resolved, Uniting Nations in a Divided World is the autobiography of. So this was autobiography of Ban Ki-moon. Trilateral maritime exercise named SITMEX 21 will be held among which three countries? So the answer is India, Singapore and Thailand. India's rank in manufacturing footwear and leather garments industry. So the India's rank is 22nd. World's first Bitcoin city in which country? So the answer is El Salvador. Newly appointed Chief of Naval Staff. So the answer is R. Hari Kumar. NCA National Cricket Academy head. So BVS Lakshman is the answer. SDG Urban Index and Dashboard 2021-2022 topped by which city? So this is Simla. Tata Literature Lifetime Achievement Award for 2021. So the answer is Anita Desai. 2021 JCB Prize for Literature winner. So the answer is M. Mukundan. The book written by Mukundan for this prize, JCB Prize, so he was awarded for Delhi a Soli Poet. 2021 Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development won by. So this was won by Pratham, which is a NGO. Re-elected Prime Minister of Japan. So the answer is Fumio Kishida. India's first credit card made from recycled PVC plastic, which is launched by HSBC Bank. New chairman of the ICC Men's Cricket Committee. So the answer is Saurav Ganguly. India's first digital food museum. It is in which city? So this is in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Wangla festival is celebrated in. So this is celebrated in Meghalaya. 2020 is Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award. So this is won by Priya Mohite. India's rank in Climate Change Performance Index 2021. So India's rank was 10th. The Indian Village awarded the Best Tourism Village Award by UNWTO. So the answer is Pochampalli in Telangana. The youngest bowler to take 400 T20 wickets. So the answer is Rashid Khan. He is from Afghanistan. World's largest recipient of remittances country. So this is none other than India. New CEO of ICC. So the answer is Geoff Allardyce. First rank in trace bribery risk matrix 2021. So this is for Denmark. What was India's position? So India's position was 82nd. India's cleanest city as per Swachh Sarvekshan 2021. So the answer is Indore. Best Ganga town as per Swachh Sarvekshan 2021. So the answer is Varanasi. Indian Constitution Day is celebrated every year on, so this is celebrated on 26th of November. COP26 Climate Summit was held in, so this was held in Glasgow. World's first oral pill to treat COVID-19 is approved by, so this is approved by Britain. Which country is developing the world's first floating city? So the answer is South Korea. India is going to have 7 additional entry and exit points for trade with which country? This is with Bhutan. Clean Green Village Week is an initiative under which scheme? So this is under MGNREGS. Bandi Chhod Divas or Day of Liberation is celebrated in which religion? So this is associated with Sikhism. E-Amrit portal is related to, so this is related to electric vehicles. Bastu Baras is celebrated as a new year in which state? So this is celebrated in Gujarat. Divsi Vailo is celebrated in which country? So the answer is Nepal. Okay, so we discussed 100 plus questions. Okay. You can join our Telegram group. There I will share the PDF. And also you can consider subscribing our channel. Once CMAT is over, then I will post the videos for CET from 10th of April. Thank you.